Hello my stitchy friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an update video on one of the cross stitches that I purchased from PaintSomeWay. And before I get into it, I just want to say thank you for joining me today, for joining me in this video. To all my subscribers, old and new, thank you so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. I did an unboxing a little while ago on this cross stitch kit, if you can see that. It's supposed to be Cinderella and Gus, and I was really excited about it. It is a 9 count, as if you can see. It's a simple design. But when I originally unboxed it, it was, I missed a lot of colors, like about half of them. So I did reach out to PaintSomeWay, and they looked into it, and they went ahead and sent me the colors. Now I got this a few days ago, so I haven't even opened it. It's still, sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with you. If you want to see the unboxing, I'll link it in the description. But this is the kit. Like I said, it's a 9 count, and I was really excited to start it, but I was missing half of the colors, so kind of disappointing in that. But let's go ahead and open this up. You're gonna hear a little crinkling. These were the original colors that came in with the kit. So okay, so it looks like they sent me everything all over again as far as the colors, the threads, not the whole entire kit, which I appreciate. Let's see if I can open this up. And we're just going to go over and make sure that I have all the right colors this time. Let's see. Okay, so this is for the 9 count, and it's supposed to match the 9 count and then ADD 015. So yes, this matches correctly. Now this looks better than what I originally received. I received all this white, so that's for sure. But like I've said before, with kits that come with these little floss cards here like this, always double check your threads and make sure that you have the colors, because there are times where I've missed 1, 2, but this one was big. This one I've missed like half of the colors. So that's the white, which I probably won't even use because the Ada's white. So, but I have 3, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5, 6. That was one that I was missing. So here it is. 225 I already had. 402. Let me see if I can get the ones that I was missing. I'm missing 315 and 316. Let's see. Sorry about that, my doggies. Oh, here is 150. See, they gave me 154, and that's not in here. I don't understand what's going on. Look, 221 again. That's not in here. Oh, and I'm doing this on camera. Again, 310, that is not a color that's in here. I will be reaching out to them again because, again, they gave me the same colors. This is 154. That's not part of it. They gave me the same colors again. So I will be reaching out to them. I'm hoping that if anybody, purchased this kit, sorry about that. But I'm hoping that anybody that has purchased this kit, maybe they had better luck. 224. I don't have that color here. 169.5. I'm missing all the ones. Again, it's the same color palette that I had before. So, I had such high hopes for this kit, and at this point I feel like I'm gonna just call it a loss. I don't know. 550, I don't have 550 here. I'm missing all these colors. Anything that's not checked off is what I'm missing. I'm missing 550, 676, 776, all of these, and I don't have these here. So I'll be sending them another message. I really had high hopes that this would be a good update video, but unfortunately it was not. And I will let you guys know once I update them and email them and let them know that I still received the wrong kits. I mean the wrong colors. So I will be putting this together because this was the last one, and these are the originals that I got. I mean, I keep getting more threads. I mean, that's a cross stitcher's dream to have all this excess thread, but it's not fun when you have a kit that you've been looking forward to working on and you don't have the right colors, and that's kind of sucky because I really wanted to start on this. It's a quick, easy one, and I'm missing all these colors that will make this picture come to life. So anyway, but thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone has a great day, has a better day than me right now. And but till next time, take care of each other and keep on stitching. Bye.